started?
Recording.
Okay. And we got 7.5 inches. For all 10. Oh, I'm gonna put this way so I can see. Pass them down. Alright, we on the right page?
Start the time whenever.
Okay. Do I start with the blue that you had such good luck with?
Probably. You did clean them all out, right?
I cleaned them all out, yeah.
Alright.
Except for that blue, you were having troubles with it at the end, and it was clean. So I'm a little worried. I don't like this fan blowing chalk on my face. Alright, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
$20 seconds. $40 seconds.
Oh no, we dropped something. Come on, it's starting to burn.
Minute.
That's more talk. I got a piece of lead stuck. That's unfortunate. Oh my gosh. Lead stuck again. No, just doesn't want to go, it feels like. Okay. Can't open that one.
Better.
What's that at?
45.
This one looks a little long. That one's a little long.
211. 215. Sorry. Four down.
That's 5 down, you mean?
5. I can't count.
Four.
240. In good time. So there's a jam.
Oh my gosh. It's jammed. Damn it.
Now it's back. $315. $345. 2 left. You can do it. Sub 5.
Oh no. Someone's jammed. It's not pen. The lead. got stuck. What's the count?
437. It'll at least beat me. Sharpener's being so much nicer than mine. Sub 5, can you do it? 5 seconds.
I'm not gonna get it.
No.
Alright, that's good.
507.
Holy crap.
Started.
Dude, did you see that last pencil when I just did this? That went down so fast.
Yeah. So you stopped it at 507, but you double tapped, so it started again.
Oh,
But it's fine.
dang.
It's fine.
Oh
We'll
my
be able to
gosh.
watch it and get the exact time.
Yeah, we will. Oh, do you need to pencils? I started getting a lot shorter for the second half.
Mm-hmm.
That was really close. Barely.